The MF-2616W 5-axis Gantry machining center integrates advanced technologies to deliver high precision and efficiency in machining solutions. Its AC 5-axis oscillating head, the A-axis, is designed with a double-arm structure, combining a high-torque DD motor with a high-precision rotary encoder, which not only ensures strong chip support, but also realizes high torque and high-precision machining results. The spindle is a high-speed electric spindle, further enhancing machining efficiency and accuracy. The machine's main structure utilizes an integrated design of the beam and column, equipped with an extra-wide column to increase overall rigidity, ensuring stability during operation. The Y-axis features 3 roller guideways, while the Z-axis has 4 roller guideways, providing solid rigid support for the head, ensuring high precision even under complex conditions. All 3 axes use high-precision ball screws processed through pre-stretch assembly technology, which helps maintain the accuracy and stability of XYZ axis movements over time. The extended base design allows all covers to move smoothly, prolonging lifespan and reducing the risk of sheet metal resonance. The fully enclosed sheet metal design enhances safety protection for the equipment, creating a more comfortable working environment for operators. With well-planned rail spans, the work table exhibits minimal overhang and strong load-bearing capacity. Additionally, it is equipped with a double-screw chain-type chip removal system that automatically clears chips, reducing the need for manual cleaning and effectively minimizing downtime while improving work efficiency. This 5-axis Gantry machining center can be equipped with the Siemens 1 high-end 5-axis CNC system, capable of executing various machining modes, including 5-axis 4-linkage and 5-axis 5-linkage. It is particularly suitable for manufacturing medium to large parts requiring multi-surface machining, multi-angle adjustments, and complex curved surface processing, with applications in aerospace components, rail transit systems, mold making, renewable energy products, and medical devices.